Good morning, children. So today we are going to take the revision on the transport topic, which is in your third and fourth unit test. So in our last video, we saw about the text lesson transport. We learn in this lesson about transport, some advantages of transport, some disadvantages of transport. Okay, and also we learn about the selecting the right option for transport and remedies for reducing pollution. Okay, so that topics we covered in this lesson. Today we are going to revise the question answers or exercise of this lesson, which is very important for your unit test. So please make a notes. Then first question, fill in the blanks. So we should go to nearby places by walking. Okay, it is a very important term. Then second one is the traffic jam leads to air pollution. Then we can save money by using a bicycle. Bicycle is a good transport. Then dash is the fastest means of transport. It's a aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Then sheep is a slow means of transport. Okay, you should know these all points. Sheep is a slow means of transport. Then next question state whether the following statement is true or false. First one is, in the olden days, sheep selling with the help of wind were wind in use. So it is true. Again, I am repeating the same question. In the olden days, sheep selling with the help of the wind were in use. That is true. Then transport helps in getting the work done sooner. It is also true. Transport helps in getting the work done sooner. It is also true. Then third, smoke emitted from the vehicles increases the freshness of leaves. Smoke emitted from the vehicles increases the freshness of the leaves. It is false. This statement is false. Constant traffic through forest area can harm the habitat of animal. Constant traffic through forest areas can harm the habitat of animals. It is also true. Okay. This statement is true. Then private vehicles are to be used instead of public vehicles. Private vehicles are to be used instead of public vehicles. This sentence is false. You should use public vehicles whenever it is necessary. Okay. Then next question we discuss the name the following. Name the following. This is also very important question. Sometime asked in exam. Means of transport. So you have to write down means of transport, various means of transport you know, like bicycle, scooter, rickshaw, bullock cart, horse cart, car, etc. Then tempo you can write truck, bus, boat, ship, aeroplane, goods train, helicopter. Okay, these are various means of transport. Then poisonous gases emitted from vehicles. You have to write the name of these gases which emitted from the vehicles. These are poisonous gases. So carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. These are various poisonous gases that emitted from vehicles. Okay. Then next question, disorders created by pollution harming human beings. So which disorders takes place due to pollution? Then trachea, lungs diseases, eye disorders, restlessness, irritability, headache, psychological disorders, etc. Okay. Next question. Match the column. So bus, then A column में लिखे bus, car and poisonous gas. So bus, it is a public vehicle. You have to find out from B column. Bus is a public vehicle. Then car is a private vehicle. Okay, car जो होती है is a private vehicle, but taxi is a public vehicle. Taxi is public vehicle. Poisonous gas, any one you can write. जो दिया है B column में, it's a sulfur dioxide is a poisonous gas. Okay. Then answer the following question. Now question 1 is, what is transport? Please write down, point out this answer. What is transport? Answer is movement of people and goods from one place to another is called transport. Movement of people and goods from one place to another is called transport. Okay. Then second question, what are the means of transport? What are the means of transport? The means which are used for movement of people and goods from one place to another are called means of transport. Okay, very simple. The means which are used for the movement of the people and the goods from one place to another are called means of transport. Okay. Then what do we need to use in automobiles? Question is, what do we need to use in automobiles? So we need to use fuels in automobiles. We used to need fuels in automobiles. Okay. Then what do we save on by using the fast means of transport? What do we save on by using the fast means of transport? So what we use? We save on our time. We save on our time and efforts by using the fast means of transport. Then which facilities have become speeder due to transport? Which facility have become speeder due to transport? So facilities, write down. Facilities like tourism, then health, education, etc. have become speeder due to transport. Okay, all the question answers you have written in your copy, so please take out your copy. Okay, while revising, हम लोग अभी रिवीजन कर रहे हैं, तो कॉपी निकालो अपनी और उसमें आंसर्स देखो. Then what is air pollution? What is air pollution? Sometimes ask, define air pollution. In another way, it can be asked, what is air pollution? So an excess of poisonous gases and lead in the temperature that lowers the quality of air is called air pollution. Means an excess of poisonous gases and lead in the atmosphere that lowers the quality of air is called air pollution. Okay. Then next question, whose lives are endangered due to pollution? Whose lives are endangered due to pollution? The lives of human beings, The lives of human beings, animals and plants are endangered due to pollution. Okay? The lives of human beings, animals and plants are endangered due to pollution. Understood? Then next question. What type of pollution does a traffic jam lead to? What type of pollution does a traffic jam lead to? कौन सा होता है pollution? The traffic jam leads to air pollution and noise pollution also. Why? Because all the vehicles they join their stops at one place, so people are giving harms every time. So air pollution and noise pollution leads to that a traffic jam. Then which trees are to be planted to reduce pollution? So big trees like banyan tree, peepal tree, neem tree, currant tree are to be planted to reduce pollution. Big trees, you can write anything, any name of the trees to reduce pollution, because trees are helped to reduce pollution. Then write the full form of CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. It is also a very important question. The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. Okay. Then the full form of LPG. What is the full form of LPG? LPG means L for liquefied, P for petroleum, and G for gas. That is liquefied petroleum gas. LPG. Okay, children. So these are the answers in one sentence each. Now, next question, write the following questions in brief. Okay, so write 5 sentences on how you have benefited from transport facilities. Question is, write 5 sentences on how you have benefited from transport facilities. Okay, answer is, I have benefited from transport facilities in following ways. कैसे हम लोग benefited transport के लिए? First, I can regularly go to school by bus. Okay, so we use bus to go to school, means I help. Then I can ride to playground on my bicycle and play every day. Then you can write, I can go to the public library by bus and can read many reference books. Then patients from my locality can go to the municipal hospital by ambulance. Then I can go to my native place by train and enjoy my vacations. So people, students, you can write the answer as per how you have benefited from transport facilities. Okay, which transport facilities you used for your convenience. So in this way you can write your answer. Okay, then next question, which is in your given in your textbook, is list 4 other facilities that have become available in the local area due to transport facilities. Okay, list 4 other facilities that have become available in the local area due to transport facilities. Okay, this is the question. Now answer is, the other facilities that have become available in the local area due to transport facilities are, one is transport facilities have transported the growth of vegetable market and thereby have transport services of trade and commerce. Then transport facilities have made it possible for the tourists to visit the tourist places. and thereby have supported the availability of other services like restaurants, lodging, etc. Then transport facilities have made it possible to students to go to the school and colleges, and thereby have helped the services like bookshops, stationery shops to grow. Then transport facilities have supported other services like banks, hospitals, theaters, libraries, etc. to grow. Okay, then transport facilities have supported other services. Okay, so this answer as per 4 other facilities that have become available in your local area, you can write this. Then suggest 4 solutions to reduce the burden on the local transport. So this answer also, that I think that answer should be come from your side. So 4 solutions to reduce the burden on the local transport. One is going nearby places by walking or riding a bicycle. आप जा सकते हो अपने आप. Then when traveling around the town, jumping on a bus or train instead of private vehicle. Then using private vehicles only on necessary occasions, sharing private vehicles among friends, relatives, neighbors, colleagues by traveling together. Then following the traffic rules and regulations strictly. Okay, so in this way. So next question of this lesson is, why is it necessary to prevent pollution? You know, the pollution is a big problem. We are suffering. So all are suffering. So why is it necessary to prevent pollution? Our environment is very sensitive, you know. Pollution created by transport has destructive effects on the environment. These destructive effects are harmful for animals, plants, and human beings also. So their lives are endangered. Therefore, to save the lives of all living things and to save our environment, it is necessary to prevent pollution. Okay, children? So this is the next question. Write a short note on advantages of transport. It is very also important. Then disadvantages of transport. This is also very important. And the remedies for reducing pollution. This question is also important. So be prepared for your 3rd and 4th unit test. Solve it carefully. All the answers written in your copy. Okay, children. So here we have to stop. Next period we will continue with next question, next topic, communication and mass media. Okay, so bye everyone.